Macele and Makumalo, they have good choices when it comes to choose properties in their houses. They know how to decorate a house. Look at their old houses, Makumalo's old house in Muzumbe and Macele's old house in Sipak. Those houses are still looking very beautiful. But now they have got a good choice again in new houses to choose good properties, quality properties. But when it comes to Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't know how to choose quality properties or beautiful. What I saw, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are always waiting for Musamseleku to do for them, because Mayeni's old house in Muzumbe, you look that house, it was Mayeni's house, guys. Those windows are broken. It was Mayeni's house. Mayeni was not taking care of her house. Even Musamseleku built house for her. She want Musamseleku to repair the windows for her. Musamseleku to do everything for her. Those wives, they don't want to use their own money to taking care of their houses, to maintain their houses, than Makumalo and Macele. Makumalo's house in Muzumbe, that old house, is still looking very beautiful because she was maintaining her house. But Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are always waiting for Musamseleku. You heard Mangwabe had a conversation with Makumalo. When they are at therapy, Mangwabe says, I don't have money to fix the walls, what. Mangwabe is waiting for Musamseleku again. Guys, imagine your husband buy a house for you. You are employed, you are a nurse, but you are failing even to do some of the things to fix the walls, what. You say you don't have money. And we know that she is waiting for Musamseleku to do those things for her. Guys, I saw on season 1 Mangwabe's house, even those spare rooms for the kids. Guys, that house was not looking beautiful more than Macele and Makumalo. That's why you saw Macele and Makumalo, they don't care. Even the cameras, they can shoot everywhere. We see Macele's house inside. Every house Macele's inside was very beautiful. That new house, even the old house and Makumalo's house. But we didn't see Mangwabe's new house and Mayeni's new house everywhere inside. It's not about they want privacy, they don't want the directors to shoot, but they know that their houses are not more beautiful than Makumalo and Macele. Guys, when it comes to choice, when they choose, those wives, they know how to choose. Makumalo and Macele, they have got good choices than Mangwabe. Yes, people are different, but Musamseleku knows that when it comes to Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are always waiting for Musamseleku to fix, even is a window broken. Mayeni always waiting for Musamseleku. You heard Mayeni on season 8 was saying there is some of the things or electricity, so why you can't fix. Now you are marrying the number 5, but you can't fix the windows. And we saw Mayeni's house on season 8 when they had a conversation with Musamseleku. Mayeni's house, the window was broken. They will fix it with a cut box. Imagine, Mayeni was employed. Look at Makumalo's house, old house in Muzumbe. That house, guys, you can't see even a window broken or what. Even Macele's house. Those wives, they know how to take care of their houses than Musamseleku knows it, that if he can't fix it, they can't fix it. We know that, guys, sometimes you are employed. Why you can't even use, you are waiting everything your husband to do those things for you, but you are employed every time. You understand? Macele is better. You know that Macele, guys, even she want to fix her house, it's not about every time she is waiting for Musamseleku. Macele, you understand? She is fixing with her own money. So, guys, you know those wives, I don't understand. Mayeni and Mangwabe, it's not about you. We didn't see even Mangwabe's bedroom since we are shooting Utando Nestembo. Why? Because they know that their bedrooms, they don't know how to decorate those wives. People, you can insult me in comment section, but I'm telling you the truth. Mangwabe, people are different, what I saw. But Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't know how to decorate their houses. Everything, they are waiting for Musamseleku, even to buy a property or in kitchen or what. They are waiting Musamseleku to do for them. You understand? Mangwabe was saying to Makumalo, I don't have money to fix the walls at the new house. So maybe she is waiting for some Seleku to give her money or to come and fix it again.